Now we're going to create an outgoing request. Let's start with some context. Imagine a work on loan to your museum that you'd like to license for postcards sold at the gift shop. To track the details, we'll create an outgoing request. To start, select Send a Request. You'll notice that the request starts with the object information. In our scenario, the request is for an object not yet in the culture text system. We'll need to add it. Select Add an Object, and then select Create a New Object. You'll see all the fields you need to record the details of the artwork. For this request, let's enter in a photo by Cindy Sherman that's on loan from the Museum of Modern Art. Start with the Creator field. Enter in Cindy S., and you'll see that the system is mapping your text to the ULAN database. The metadata helps you choose the correct artist. In this case, Cindy Sherman, American photographer, born 1954. That's the one. Now let's fill in the rest of the object information fields from MoMA's website. Copy and paste or manually enter in the title, Untitled Film Still number 21. Next, we'll assign the owner of the painting. In the Owner field, select Organization from the pull-down menu on the right. Just as we saw before with Creator, this field is also mapped to the ULAN. Type in Museum of Modern Art, and you'll see that a long list of matching museums pops up. Scroll to Museum of Modern Art, American Art Museum, New York City, established 1929. And select it to continue. Next, copy and paste the accession number, creation date, medium, and dimensions. Enter in the full credit line. There is no photo credit listed, so let's just leave that field blank. Now we'll upload an image of the photo as a thumbnail. Select Add Image and navigate to where the image is located on your computer. The file will upload and you'll see it displayed in the preview box. Now, to keep track of where you got it, copy and paste the URL in the link field, and then we'll also make a note of where it came from in the details. Go ahead and click Save. Usage details. Remember, this request is for a postcard for your gift shop, so we'll record the appropriate details for the license. You are working with the artist to request a copyright clearance. Select License Type Copyright, Format Print, and Usage Commercial. Now we'll enter Postcard and press Return to create a usage tag. Type United States for distribution location, and for the duration, let's select Time Limited. Notice that you can now choose a start date and an end date for the license. We'll choose October 1st, 2018 to start, and then add an end date of December 31st, 2018. Now, in your typical licensing process, you'll need to first find the rights holder before you'll know anything about restrictions or requirements. If you haven't located them yet, you would just leave these fields blank and fill in the information once you've gotten in contact with the rights holder. But let's pretend that you've already got that information. They don't allow image modifications, so we'll add a new restriction tag for no image modifications. In your negotiations, you've also agreed that you'll only print 1,000 postcards. To add this detail, click to the right of the tag you just made and type in Print Run 1000. Then hit Enter on your keyboard to make the second tag. You can leave restriction detail blank, and then select Next Step. Contact information. In the course of your research, you've determined that the artist is the contact for copyright approvals. You've made contact with Cindy, so let's enter in her information now. Click on Add a Contact, and since you know this person is not yet entered into your contacts, select Create a New Contact. The artist's name is Cindy Sherman, so enter in her first name and last name. She's not associated with any institution, so just leave the organization and title fields blank. The last bits of her information can be entered, including her email and phone number. Then click Submit. In the course of your correspondence with Cindy Sherman, you've agreed to a price of $400 for the use of her photograph. Enter in $400 for the usage fee and leave the other fields blank. Select Save. That's it. You've recorded all the details for a perfect record of your copyright clearance.